National Testing Agency (NTA) na tha asigi tang ahumda pangthokiba Neet-Ug 2026 examination cancel tawkrai. Exam asi anauba matam ama leplaga pangthoklagani. Hauzik fawbi oina examination gi matam lepa leitri. NTA na X ta thagalakpa statement gi matung inna examination asida aranba tawkri haibagi report sing Central Agency amadi Law Enforcement Authorities singdagi fangbadagi India lingaktagi ayaba lawraba matung exam asi cancel tawnabagi warebasi lawkhibani hairi. Loinana hiram asigi matangda kupthana thijanaba Central Bureau of Investigation CBI da sinanaba wareb lawkrai. Hiram asigi matangda NTA nasu Bureau da achoba mating pangani hairi. Nakalamaromda examination asi cancel tawrabasu candidates singna examination gi damak nauna register tawbagi mathau taroi. Loinana ahenba examination fee gi charge lawroi hairi. NTA gi matung inna candidates singna pay tawkhiba fee sing refund tawgani. Re-examination asigi damaktadi agency gi internal resources naraga pangthokani hairi. Lakliba numit kharani ki manungda anauba examination gi matam revised admit card sing official channel gi kuthangda khanghalakani hairi. Candidate amadi parents singna official update khaktada thajaba thambiyo atopa social media singda thagatpa notification singda thajabiganu hairi.